one from Oops. Okay. Hey guys, how are you doing? Today's video we're going to do unboxing, and actually I will call this Ipsy Marathon. If you haven't already, I would like to invite you to please come join the gang. Yes, over there. Hit the subscribe button. Let's dive into it. We're not going to unbox 2 boxes, but instead we're going to do it 3. So I'm going to call this as Ipsy Marathon because it's not only for a regular Ipsy. We're going to unbox the Ipsy Plus, and of course we're going to open this mystery box. So from time to time they will send you an email. You want to grab this Ipsy mystery box for $12, free shipping and handling within the US of A. Yeah, this is our makeup pouch. It's so tropical, it's so summer. I love the color, I love the concept. Okay, first up we have this one from Luxy Beauty. This is the 1010 small contour brush. Okay, I like that. Let me try this on. If this is really a contour brush. Use this for defining your contour. Yeah. Next up, we get this one from 12 Benefits Instant Healthy Hair Treatment. So what it does, it protects your hair from heat styling tools. That is so promising to me. I can't wait to use this. Next up, we have the Larissa Cosmetics Dew Pot in Utopia. This is a texture of pearl pink highlighter. Basically, anything that is peachy tone, it really goes so well in every skin tone. Okay, next up we have the one from Pacifica. This one is a bronzer blush duo. We have the Bronze Rose palette here. And you know what? I noticed that there's mirror in it. And that is so neat. Like, yeah, I can see my big eyes here. The blush is on the spot. I love the tone. However, the bronzer is, yeah, it's okay. But, you know, anything that has orange undertone, it doesn't go well with me because it gives me like orange face. Let's move on with the 5th item from our Ipsy bag. We have the Mid-Flower Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing Sheet Mask. This is emerging cutting edge technology with an ancient practice of using flower water in skincare. So Mid-Flower creates products that are both natural and effective. I'm so excited for my Ipsy Plus. First up, this one is by Pixie by Petra. This is the Glow Mist and valued for $15. It's a multitasking mist. You can use this for setting your skin before makeup. You can use this for setting spray, and then you can use this refreshing mist. Okay, this one is the Pure Nilotica Melt. And I think I got this one before. I'm going to put this aside and put this in my giveaway. This is my best friend during winter time. It really hydrates your skin. This one has a shea butter. Next up, we have the Naked Skin eyeshadow, and this is the 4-piece pigment set. And this one is retailed for $40. I have this in my stash already. I'm not going to open this. They are pigment. These are shimmers, and it is so pigmented. They're very high quality shimmer shadows. Next up, I am so excited when I saw it, and this is the Tribe Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extension. I have this. I'm not going to open this, and this is what I have. This one retails for $24. I've been gravitating this mascara like constantly. It doesn't give you flakes, smudges, especially if you wear contact lenses. And this one here is from Huda Beauty. I am so in love with the shades. You know what? This one retails for $45. So I have this 3D highlighter palette in pink sand. 4 different tone here. And there's a prep, set, sculpt, and a flash. We're going to do the swatch. This is the Capri. And then this is the Santorini. Oh. And this one is the Azores. Wow. And this one is the Ibiza. Yes, those are one of the most exotic places in the world. These are very pigmented. I can't wait to do a full face makeup tutorial using only one item. Next up, we're going to move on with our Ipsy mystery box. So yes, wow, I love this pouch. Right now, I can see 4 items inside. We have the painting therapy pack from Tony Moly. This is the Sebum Control Black Color Clay. This is very ideal for oily, acne-prone skin. Oh, I can use this for spa treatment. Next up, we have the Feel Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser. This is the deep skin treatment. It's a gentle exfoliator again. So yeah, can't wait to try this. Okay, next up we have the Pureless Watermelon 2-minute energizing mask. This is a polishing mask. I think I had this one before. This is very ideal for traveling. You can toss this in your skincare bag and you're good to go. This one is very interesting. This is from Botanic Farm. And this is the Avocado Honey Rich Water Balm Cream. Oh, that's a mouthful. This is a moisturizer. You can use this day and night. Okay, the last item from our Ipsy mystery box. These two here are sheet masks. This is the red fruit brightening mask and the broccoli plumping mask. I can't wait to try this. I haven't had this one before. And that concludes our Ipsy marathon unboxing. I must say that all the products for this month are top notch. I love it. I love the Huda Beauty. I love the idea of sending some Tribe Cosmetics, which, you know, for the past few weeks I've been gravitating on that mascara. I'm so excited to share some of the goodies in this box. If you are considering subscribing to Ipsy, I'm going to put all the links down below. And if you haven't already, I would like to invite you to please come join the gang. And I will see you in my next